sneakerheads, it's Hanil, aka Heavy Kicks, back again. Hope you got all the drops you wanted to in 2015. And now it's a new year, so we got a new drop to start with. It's the Adidas Superstar Nigos. Let's go check them out. We were lucky enough to get a sample pair from the good folks over at Adidas. Big shout to you guys as well for that. So because it's a sample pair, there's no box, so we're gonna jump straight into first impressions, and I'm loving it. This is quirky. I definitely like a lot of the collaborations that Nigo does on the Superstar. You know, it's always something different, you know, a little bit out of the norm. So yeah, my first impressions, so far so good.
Check it out.
We'll start from the toe box, the shell toe. You've actually got the Nigo beer. The face is actually printed into the shell toe, which is just such a dope look, you know. Then you've also got your Nigo beer printed onto this little dubray on the laces, which is another nice touch. Going out onto the print now, you've got this premium leather with this all-around print of cityscape and palm trees with Adidas written on the top. I don't know what that's meant to represent on this one. Maybe someone who knows better than me what this city might represent, they maybe can comment in the comment box and let me know. But it's an alternating pattern, so you've got the Adidas in black writing with a red background, and it alternates to a red writing with a black background. It goes right around the whole trainer. You got 3 black stripes. You got black on your heel tab with your gold, your gold Adidas printing right there. And yeah, it just looks dope. The sock line, it gets a premium leather as well on the inside. It's quite comfortable when you feel this actually. And even the inner sole, I mean, I think it's some kind of hard-wearing leather, but it's actually featured on the inside. The inner sole feels a lot thicker and more comfy than most Superstars that I'm used to wearing. You've got your Adidas 25 Originals in the inside, and you've got your Nigo beer featuring on the front, on the tongue. Other than that, you've got your standard outsole, and that's it really.
Check it out.
Everyone knows that I like wearing black. However, the loudest thing you'll ever see on me is my kicks. So I will sometimes wear the most outrageous trainers, within reason, of course, but like the colors that most people wouldn't wear, sometimes I'll just throw them on just to do something different. And over the years, I've owned so many Superstars, the plain colors, obviously. And when they started doing the more quirkier ones, that's more of the Superstars you'll find in my personal collection. And this is something definitely I'll be copying, you know. Nigo's done some good stuff with the Superstars over the last couple of years. And this color, it's something that, it's a talking piece, and not everyone's gonna feel it. It's not, your run-of-the-mill heat or any hype or whatnot. This is something nice and different for someone to wear, and it's definitely got a place in my collection. For the price point that these drop as well, I mean, you can't complain. Superstars, for me, you can wear them anytime. I'm not too paranoid because the more they age, the better they look, in my opinion, anyway. It's something different to change things up every now and again. I find a lot of people do sleep on some of the more quirky Adidas Superstars. But if you look after these a couple years, you pull them out, it'll be a talking piece, trust me.
Check it out.
My heat rating for these is going to be 4 out of 5. I think it's a dope collab. The quality is on point. Nigo always brings it home whenever he works with Adidas. Why does it lose out on that 1 point? Well, as far as Superstars, over the years, we've seen the best that you can get out of the Superstar. And while this is good, I would not put it in that class of Superstar. It's going to be an easy cop. It's going to be on the sale, general release in Adidas Original stores. So you'll be able to pick up a pair, and especially at the price point you're paying for, you cannot complain with this quality on this. But again, 4 out of 5 for me. So there you have it. That was our review of the Adidas Superstar Nigos. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, and comment, and let me know below if it's something you're feeling or if it was a bit too loud for your liking. And don't forget to follow us on social media. All at handles are at Crep Junkie. Until next time, peace. there's a lot to talk about on these trainers right here. I mean, first and foremost, the craftsmanship is superb. I am not seeing a thread out of place.
What I love about them is that they've got a bit of a message. As you can see, they've got the black fist. And Mexico 1968, which was that wonderful Olympics.
Now, I haven't worn these since New Year's Day 2014 when a video hit my inbox and there was a young lady on some stairs with a man.
I chose to take the cover of a cult classic. I know people are going to roll their eyes, but it's my favorite. You know, Al Pacino, Scarface, you know, say hello to my little friend.
Crep junkie, the fix, the fix, the fix. Crep junkie.